Number 21. The line L is defined by 3y plus 12x is equal to 5, and line L is perpendicular to line N is perpendicular to line L in the xy plane. Okay, so that means a question is like, you have some line, I'm not drawing it up to the scale, it's just a line, and let's say this line is L, and equation of this line is given to us. 3y plus 12x is equal to 5. Line N is perpendicular to line L. Okay, so this is some line N which is perpendicular to L. What is the slope of the line N? So we have to find the slope of this line. Okay, but this equation is not in slope intercept form. So first let's convert this equation line L in slope intercept form. So 3y plus 12x is equal to 5. Now dividing 12x on both sides, because why we are doing this? Because y is equal to mx plus b. That is the slope intercept form and m is the slope. So we have to leave y here alone. So this is cancelled. 3y is equal to negative 12x plus 5. Now dividing by 3 on both sides. If I divide, every term will be divided by 3. So y is equal to 3 4s are 12 minus 4x plus 5 by 3. Now this means slope of the line L is negative 4, right? And the rule says, property says, that if two lines are perpendicular to each other, product of their slope is negative 1. Now let's say slope of line N is m1 and slope of line N is m2. So m1 is negative 4. If you compare it with y is equal to mx plus b, so m1 is negative 4 and m2 is equal to, m2 we have to calculate, and this is equal to negative 1. Now we need m2, so dividing by negative 4 on both sides, negative 4 here and negative 4 here, it is cancelled. m2, that means slope of line L is negative sign cancelled, which is 1 by 4. So what is the slope of line? Slope of line m2 is equal to 1 by 4. We have solved our question. So if you want to just make the concept simple and do it the proper ways you have learned, so that means you have done it and it's correct. But now I just want to tell, every time I just want to tell something extra, something out of the box, something new. So if you are interested, then let's see. This is this is kind of magic. Slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b. This is the slope intercept form, and ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form, right? Here standard form is given. So initially when I was started solving the question, I just converted into y is equal to mx plus b. Now let's see a very important, very interesting aspect over here. What if I try to convert this standard equation into slope intercept form? Then what happens? So by is here as it is, right? Subtracting ax on both sides as well as subtracting c on both sides. So ax cancelled, c cancelled. You are left with by is equal to negative ax negative minus c. Now we want b. So y is equal to, dividing by b, divide every term by b, right? So that will be minus a by b x minus c by b. B cancelled, and our equation is minus a by bx minus c by b. Now here lies the magic. It's seriously magic. If I compare this equation, which I have converted into slope-intercept form, then y is equal to negative a by bx minus c by b. That means even if equation given to me is in standard form, I can use this to find the slope of the line without converting it into slope-intercept form, right? So let's see. Okay, we calculated the slope of this line is negative 4, right? Let's see what happens. So my equation is 3y plus 12x is equal to 5, right? This is my equation. Now it can be okay, fine. Now what is a, b, c here? If you compare, a is 12, b is, which is the coefficient of y, that is 3, and c is 5, right? So what is the slope? Coefficient of x, which is negative, coefficient of x over coefficient of b, which is negative 4. So that means, see, I have calculated the slope without converting it into slope-intercept form, right? So if you want to do a little bit extra, some extra concepts you are comfortable with, you can take it as a concept, right? So let's create a new formula for us. Like it's not the part of the question, we have already done the question, this is just extra. So if y is equal to mx plus b, that is slope-intercept form, so the coefficient of x is slope, but if ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, that is the equation, both are standard form, right? Both are standard form because we have to deal with slope, so we need only a and b. Then without converting it into slope-intercept form, you can say slope is equal to negative of coefficient of x over coefficient of y, that means negative a by b. So if you learn this, you do not have to convert it into slope-intercept form. I find it magic, and if you spend a little bit time on it and understand it, you will also feel it like a magic. I hope that is clear.